Hello guys, this is Om and welcome to Pure Food. So there are lots of mangoes in the market, hence today we are gonna make mango mousses. So why are we waiting for? Let's start. First we'll make the pieces of our mango. We'll cut it like this. Just take care of your fingers and just cut it like this. And we'll remove all the pulp from the mango out. So our mango pieces are ready now. I have just took mango pieces of a medium size of mango. Now we'll add around 1.5 tablespoon of powdered sugar and blend this well. You can increase or decrease the portion of your powdered sugar according to the sweetness of your mangoes. I have just made puree of our mango pieces and it is up to 1 full cup. Now we'll keep it aside and add 1 cup of whipping cream in our bowl. Again we'll add 1.5 tablespoon of powdered sugar in it and whisk it until it becomes stiff peak. Do not over whip your cream. If by chance it is over whipped, do not worry, just add around 1 tablespoon of fresh new whipping cream and fold it again or whip it. Your cream will be normal. Now I have just make my cream up till soft peak. Now I'll whisk it more a bit and make it up stiff peak. Okay, now we'll okay, now we'll divide our cream into half and half part we'll add into our mango mousses or our mango. Okay, now we'll divide our cream into half and half we'll add in our mango mixture. Like this we'll add our half cream in our mango mixture. Okay, so I have just added a half in the mango mixture and now we'll just fold it through cut and fold method. We just cut it and fold it, cut it and fold it, cut it and fold it. Okay. Now I have just mixed it all around and now we'll add this into our piping bag like this. Now I have added whole of the mixture into the piping bag like this. Now with the same way we'll add our whipping cream into the piping bag like this. Now with the same manner, I have just filled both of the mixtures into a piping bag. So now it's time to assemble our mango mousses. So I have just took two cute glasses and will cut our piping bag. First at the bottom we'll add our mango mixture, and now we'll add our whipping cream on the top of our mango mousses like this. We'll repeat the whole process of the mango mousses. Now I have just garnished it with some mango cubes. We'll add some almond pieces on it. And a mint leaf. The mint leaf is totally optional. You can add or you cannot. Okay, so the most satisfying mango mousse is ready now. Yes, our mango mousse is ready now. You can just keep it in refrigerator for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then enjoy it. And yes, the ingredient list of the recipe is given in the description box. You can check if you want. Do try this delicious recipe and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for like these delicious and amazing recipes. Thank you.